Hi folks, Pat Gage here. I'm just sitting relaxing here on a Sunday afternoon, and I wanted to tell you about something that's going on this week. This week on the 18th, 19th, and 20th, my friend Vinki is having a capital raising summit, and it's virtual, it's online, which is awesome. She's going to have 24 of the industry experts in this capital raising business. So if you're looking for capital, or you're looking to get into commercial real estate or even single family real estate, you're going to need capital to move your projects through the pipeline. You're going to, because we all get tired of asking friends and family run out at some point, right? Asking your friends and family, they run out of money. So you're going to have to broaden your circle. So this summit, called the Capital Raisers Summit, this Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday of 18th, 19th, and 20th of August. They're going to have all-day seminars live online for you to sign up. And below this video, there's going to be a link for you to register, and also use the promo code of PAT100 to save yourself $100 off the price. There's going to be 24 experts from mindset all the way down to how do you structure legally to stay out of jail. Right? They got Marshall Silver, which is an awesome speaker as far as mindset and getting your head wrapped around this and how to structure your ask or your presentation. We also have Hunter Thomas coming, and he's going to share his 15, 16 years of experience. So this is a seminar that you can sit at home and watch, because we're all still in this pseudo lockdown, I guess, but you don't have to fly anywhere. You don't have to go anywhere. You can go right to your office, click the thing or your phone, and watch it live. So join. It's a Capital Raiser Summit. There is a link below this video to register, and use the promo code of PAT100 to save yourself $100 off the price. That makes it really cheaper than a cup of coffee a day, and you'll get some great knowledge. You get some expert coaching. You get some knowledge and tips what's working in today's market, because there's more capital out there than you can really imagine, folks, but you have to know how to go out and get it. You have to go out and present your offers or your deals and structure it the way that the private investors are looking for. So join us 18th, 19th, and 20th August. Click on the link, and we'll see you there. Have a good day now.